Let's start assembling the Raptor engine. So what I'm going to use epoxy resin to glue the parts. Now I need to add this. First I'll add the glue. So these are tight fits. I have a tool which I'm going to use to position it. This one, which is going to go on the top of this. So this is going to sit like this. So to this, what I need to do, I need to add a glue here, and I need to add a glue here. This will be sticking here, and this slot will be sitting here. It will be positioned like this. Let me add the glue like that. Top of this would be sitting, and this would be facing like this. So this part is done. this is the last part. So this part goes here. And it goes here. So this is completed Raptor engine and looks big.